San Francisco Chinatown, the largest and oldest Chinatown in North America. Exploring hidden gems is a must here. We're going to show you 3 locations in Chinatown you must visit. Let's go. Good Mong Kok, that's the first spot on our list, notable for their juicy dim sum and bakery. Alright guys, so we got here our dim sum. We actually got a whole bag of stuff. That shark fin size is way bigger than siomai. Look at that, the rope is all popping out and stuff. It's like on steroids. These are some huge siomai.
Nice and juicy. Meat's not too packed in there. Sometimes it could be a little dent.
My meat's pretty stuffed in.
Yeah.
I think I just grabbed a whole piece of shrimp out.
Onions, got some carrots in there, and definitely a lot of pork.
The shrimp is pretty big in there. Not your regular siomai where it's like it's a small piece of shrimp. It's a pretty big piece.
Chive dumpling, it should have pork and shrimp.
And I'm gonna try to hog out. It looks like it's all white instead.
This has a little bit of green in it. This one's just all shrimp and chives and some ginger.
I honestly prefer it with soy sauce.
Yeah.
Our next destination would be the oldest restaurant in San Francisco Chinatown, Sam Wo, another OG spot on our list. We're looking forward to the food here. I hear a lot of good things about it.
A little bit of pork, a little bit of chicken.
Not just small little shrimp.
Cool. That's actually probably one of the best chop ones I've had.
I could taste all the meat.
The meat's not overcooked.
I really like to eat the noodle with the pork. A little chewy texture.
Meaty texture.
Way different. Way different from your regular rice roll.
Pork looks nothing like other barbecue.
No redness in it.
Hardly any red.
Doesn't look overcooked, so it must be juicy.
Probably nice and tender.
Yep. No bean sprout, thank goodness.
That had pretty good. Whoa.
The flavor sticks out right away. I can see why this place is really popular now. This is completely different from any other rice roll I taste.
Don't even need soy sauce.
Yeah, don't need soy sauce. But another OG spot and our last spot on our list. So one thing to note about Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory, it's hidden in a narrow street, so it's really hard to find, as you can see. They don't shy away from showing the celebrities and police that have visited Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. Their fortune cookies are homemade in front of your face and sold with a variety of flavors. I did an interview with the owner, Kevin. Check out the food video under the description of this video. This is my favorite type of fortune cookie style. Yeah. It's really good. It's sweet. So green matcha one, green tea fortune cookie here. You could right away taste that green tea in it. So yeah, let's give this chocolate a try. It's soft. It's not milk chocolate or dark chocolate. But it's good. It's still chocolate, just layered on a fortune cookie. Well guys, that's it for the Chinatown series. We're moving on to the best burritos around Mission District, San Francisco. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a like, subscribe, and until then, travel heads.